Alright, here is a fiction. This is a graph that records the pitch of sound. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Well, I say that a war is going on, but the truth is kept secret. And the secret is about sound. There's real sound and there's fake sound. Let's check some fake sound first. The graph shows this sound, then it's fake sound. Now, there's something that caught my attention when I first got this mobile phone, and it's that its sound makes my ears whistle. It's a very pleasant sensation. Let's check how the graph reacts to this sound. It's invisible. It's invisible sound for the graph again. Well, enjoy.